When looking at franchise programs for insurance and risk management, we really find two types of situations. You have one situation where a franchisor has grown really fast. They have signed up a lot of agreements, created a good revenue stream for the business, but haven't really understood the risks involved, especially early on with respect to errors and omissions in the contracts that they're getting the franchisees to sign. They don't really understand the power of ADA, discrimination, employee-related claims at the franchisee level, much less bodily injury. There may be requirements for insurance, of course, in the agreement, but there is no consistency in how those insurance policies are procured by the franchisees. And franchisees really come to franchisors because of the marketing assistance, the vendor relationships, the pricing, but all too often franchisors don't extend that same benefit for the franchisees to the insurance program. And a program for franchise businesses has everything to do with price efficiency, having a streamlined approach to how people access insurance and get quotes and bind, and making sure that through exclusive vendor status there can be consistency and compliance to those standards. And the biggest issue is really, can you give a franchisor at a moment's notice access to see if those requirements are being met in a dashboard setting on their computer? All those things are vital. The second type of situation we run into is really someone who does have a semblance of a program, but all of the coverages aren't cohesive in the program. There may be a program for liability, there may be one for property if that's their biggest exposure, but nothing really wraps those together. Very few have a comprehensive, consistent, streamlined approach to how they get their franchisees to procure insurance.